Hey neighbor, BigBenThiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to Whyte Ridge. You are gonna absolutely love this location. That's right, we are in a coveted neighborhood here. Easy accessibility to get out of the city, an amazing location as far as all levels of shopping. You've got wholesalers, you've got retailers. You're gonna love this spot. But let's talk about the property right behind me here because that's what I'm really excited about. 5 bedrooms. That's right, we've got 5 bedrooms, all with egress windows. We've got 3 up, 2 down. We've got 3 bathrooms. You're gonna love this property, little TLC, it'll be absolutely amazing. Let's go check it out. Well, if you've seen one of my videos before, you know that I love garages, and I have to show you this garage because it's a double car insulated garage and it's attached to the house. Fantastic, great if you're into tooling or if you just like a warm car in the middle of winter. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 63 Tolcross Gate. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. It wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. Yeah, I'm not like a Seinfeld funny. I'm more like a Ben funny. I don't know. Well, now we're in the garage, and if... Pretty decent, huh? Is that good?